Hello class, my name is Erich and this is the introduction module for SPCH 2723 Interpersonal Communication at Oklahoma State University's online campus. I guess I'll start off by giving a little description of myself, and then we'll talk about the class, and then I'll tell you your assignment for this module. To tell you a little bit about myself, I was originally from the great state of Iowa. I grew up in the Des Moines suburb of Ankeny. I graduated from high school there and then went on to college at the University of Missouri, where I majored in communication and journalism. When I was done with that, I worked in Denver at Campus Speak, a college speakers agency. Did that for a while. And then before I went back to Missouri State to get my master's degree in communication, I worked at the special needs summer camp called Wonderland Camp. That was a wonderful experience. When I was done with that at Missouri State, got my master's at Missouri State, I went on to the University of Oklahoma, where I taught there for 4 years and worked on, and I'm continuing to finish up a PhD in communication at OU. And while I'm finishing that up, I'm working here at Oklahoma State University, Oklahoma City campus. So outside of teaching and my work life, I have a dog named Siggy and a cat named PK. Favorite things to do on the weekend are to grill and go cycling. And at the end of the summer, after this class is over, I'll be cycling across the great state of Iowa on RAGBRAI, which is the Register's annual Great Bike Ride across Iowa. So I'll be doing that with about 20,000 people, so that's kind of fun. So a little about the syllabus. I'll let you take a look at the syllabus on your own, and then if you have questions, when I give you the assignment, ask your questions in the discussion of the assignment. So you're going to introduce yourself, and you're going to ask any questions that you may have about the syllabus. Basically, it just gives you the assignments that we're going to have. It tells you a little bit about the course structure and how that's going to work. It gives you a schedule, tells you what the exams are going to be like, tells you what assignments are going to be, how we're going through the chapters. The book, make sure you get a copy of the book. It's especially important in the online class. We'll basically have 2 modules per week, which works out to 12 modules. There's 12 chapters in the book, and we'll try to start off less specific in the first half, chapters 1 through 6, and then in the last half you get more specific into certain things like family communication, romantic relationships, friendships, and that sort of thing. So your assignment for next week is to introduce yourself to class. So I'm going to create, while this video is uploading to YouTube, I'm going to create a discussion board, and so go ahead and introduce where you're from, what you like to do, do you have any children, where do you work, what your goals of the class are, what your major is, whatever you think that you should introduce yourself with. And then do that. You don't have to do it in a video like I'm doing, but just write a message. And then if you have questions of the syllabus, write those in the discussion, and I'll respond to those on the discussion board. And then maybe if there's something I need to explain verbally, I'll do that in the next video. So that's all I have for the introduction to the class. If you have any questions, you can also email me. The email address that I have is on the syllabus. It's just my name with a period in between first and last name, and then at oakstate.edu. So with that, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later this week. Bye.